Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Princess Joy Matados Bahaw. You can call me Joy. I am 24 years old, living in Cabuyao, Laguna, Philippines. I am a Christian and I graduated in Bachelor of Nursing with a 4-year course. I have 3 brothers. 2 of them is still finishing their education, and I am the one who helped my family for daily living. My father is a simple laborer and my mother is a housewife. After I graduated my college, I applied in Holy Rosary, Cabuyao, Philippines as a nursing aide. In the year of 2023, I am in 2 years experience and still working as a nursing aide. My job in hospital are taking care of elderly people aged to 60 to 80 years old, where I do care for their eating, guiding them to have a shower, help them for daily walking, dress them well, and guide them take their medication. While I also take care for toddler age of 5 to 17 years old, and babies at 1 month to 2 years old by feeding them, dress them well, and taking care of them. During my day off, I do household duties where I help my mother to wash our clothes, cook for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I know how to cook either meat or vegetables, and I also know how to car wash and taking care for a dog. Ma'am and sir, I am hardworking person and a good person. I am a patient woman. I am honest person and I'm willing to work my best. I am really happy to introduce myself to you, ma'am and sir, and hoping to serve you all my best for your family, especially work with courage with you. Thank you and have a good day.